Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no long video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this yummy looking egg fried rice, step by step recipe. This fried rice is not the kind of fried rice that gets spoiled after a day. So yummy, easy to make, and very delicious. Some people call this fried rice Nigerian fried rice, so let's dive into it. The first thing we are going to do is build flavors. We are going to saute our onions in groundnut oil or cooking oil of your choice. Then we are going to add in our washed rice. This rice has been washed and it has been properly dried with sieve, so we are going to fry that for about 10 minutes. Then in the middle of frying, I'm just going to add in my spices. That's my curry powder, thyme, ginger and garlic powder, and whatsoever spices of your choice. I'm going to fry this for about 15 minutes till the grain of the rice are separating from each other. Before I add in my water, I'm going to add in salt and seasoning cube. Adjust your seasoning to taste, please. So I'm just going to cover that up and allow that to cook like our usual rice. After about 25 to 30 minutes, our rice is ready. You don't want your rice to be too soft, and this is what it should look like. You don't need any extra fried rice spices to make a delicious fried rice. The next thing we're going to be doing now is fry our egg. You know we're not seasoning the egg, so you need something to bring out taste from the egg. That is why I'm sauteing another onions and I'm adding in my mixed spice. Before I go in with my egg, I'm going to scramble my egg and set that aside. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Your subscription means a lot to me. Like, it gives me a sense of I am doing something right. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So for our veggies, I'm just going to add a little oil, then saute my spring onions, a little of my spring onions. I'm just going to take some portion of my spring onions. I'm going to be frying some habanero because I like my fried rice spicy, then going with the rest of the veggies. Guys, so let's discuss if there's any recipe you like me to show on my platform, maybe in my next video. Please kindly leave it in the comments below so that I will check it out and I will make a video of it. Thank you. So I'm just going to fry this for, you don't want your veggies to be too soft, so 2 minutes is enough for you to fry the veggies. Then I'm going to be pouring it into my fried rice, adding my scrambled egg. Then I love plantain, so I diced some plantain and I fried it. The last thing that is going to be going into this is our spring onions. You'll have imagined that why did I not fry all the spring onions when I was frying the rest of the veggies? That is because I don't want my spring onions to wilt. You know, spring onions is very soft and you want some crunch in your fried rice, so I don't want my spring onions to be too soft. It's not going to give you that beautiful vibe. So this is it. You're just going to stir properly. I'm trying to break those scrambled egg, so you're just going to stir that properly and your fried rice is good to go. Because my pot is very full, I could not stir mine so freely like that, but I made sure everything was incorporated, every angle had all the veggies, and that is what you want. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is me begging you and telling you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. When I see your subscription, I'm encouraged to do more. I have the feeling that I am doing something right somewhere. Please, if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. Bye.